टाइम मराठी पिक्चर केले की मला पण थोडं बहुत मी पण बोलतोय मराठी आणि ओरिजिनल आहे इकडे गुड लक आणि तुम्ही आला आभारी बरोबर त्यांचं फोटो वगैरे बराबर सब सोच के देना समझा ना मराठी पिक्चर गीला के रहती आसपास ऑस्कर तक पहुंच गया बाकी हिंदी तड़बड़े थे तो समझ गया कितना दाम है अपने मराठी में बाकी मैं बोलूँ हाँ एक तो लाइन आएंगे और जो सेकंड इस बार में सुभाष अपने ऑस्कर तक पहुंच गया बाकी सब स्ट्रगल में चल रहे थे चलते रहेगा और लगता है एक दिन मराठी लेके जाएगा और हो सकता है तड़बड़े मारेगा
Yes, here I must share also one. So yes, I'm writing Chole Bhature. Then another Gujarati fellow called me in the morning. I am writing Bhel Puri, and I hear this Purana Chawal. So I can tell you, it's a beautiful, very attractive. That was attracting other producers to write on this subject. Thank you very much. Once again, I thank the whole team who organized this, Samir, everybody, and thank you for being with us also. Yeah. And now finally, naturally, the hero.
माझे आवडते मित्र सुभाषजी went and started this movie today. श्रावण सोमवार श्रावण महिना असल्यामुळे कांदे पोह्यापासून सुरुवात आपण करत आहोत. परंतु मला जरूर पाहायचं आहे की इट्स अ बिग थिंग फॉर मराठी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. सुभाषजी एंट्री मराठी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री समथिंग अनबिलीवेबल. The name of the backing of Muktas is something which is going to create a lot of culture in the film industry. त्यामुळे आनंद आहे की ज्या प्रकारे विश्वनाथ कालीचरण सुरुवात करते हिट्स झाले. कांदे पोहे will be a bigger hit than all the things that we have produced. What we are expecting. I have several friends here who are sitting in the audience in the Marathi film industry, and they are really happy. What Marathi was lacking was a big support. The government has been giving support to the Marathi film industry, but I think this is the first film in Marathi which will not require any financial support from the government. I hope. Yeah. So Marathi doesn't have tax at all, so you don't worry. Marathi films don't have any legitimate tax, and really I hope it will be a very good film. This is the beginning, and let's hope that new company and graphics that you have floated will have many more hits to come. A small presence by Subhashji will make wonders. So our best wishes, and thanks Subhashji for calling me here. It's a great day, a great moment, and all of us wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
देखिए दादा